Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about fear. So fear is very interesting subject for all of us, but we don't want to be scared. I have been doing in-depth analysis on fear psychologically. So therefore I made my thesis. I want to present my thesis in front of you in this video. Now let us understand psychologically what is the main definition of fear. So it is a primitive, natural and powerful common human emotion is fear. This is what psychology describes about it. And out of this fear you may flee or you may hide or you may do some atrocities or you may go maniac or you may become killing spree. So many of the psychos, first of all, they are the victims of fear, and later they don't know what they are going to do, so they continue their activity. So that becomes an activity which is opposite to the society. Let's say a killer or a criminal, so they are having this they are the victims of fear, I need to say. Now, where this fear comes into our life exactly? Because we have been programmed since our childhood that we have to fear about the society. So we have to have some fear about the law. So when you see police, you will get scared automatically. So you must have fear about the God, because if you do something wrong, so you will get the consequence. So that is also called as a law of karma. I already described in my previous videos about it. So these are the three common fears that we are forced to instill since our childhood. A tribal man in a forest is not aware of the fears what we have. He is having fear about the snakes, darkness, etc. because he is living in forest. But we living in urban areas and in the society, so we have three kinds of fear that we are forced to instill. I already told you. Let me repeat it again. It is a fear about law, fear about society, and fear about the God. Therefore, we respect all these three things throughout our life. So, if you tell the scariest and freaky things to a kid since childhood, so then he will become maniac for sure in the future, or he will become very coward in the future. So you should not enforce fear to the child. So you should teach children the motivation. Now I want to come to this point again. What are the causes of fear? So the fear of unknown is the very fear that we are suffering from. So what happens in the future and what happens tomorrow, when you don't know these two things, you are more scared. And you have fear of insecurity, and you may lose fame, you may have fear of losing recognition, you may have fear of losing your valuable things, your belongings and your identity. So this comes under the fear of insecurity and fear of losing something. So losing your relationship or fear of losing your entities. So these are the another cause of fear. And next we also have fear of neighborhood. You believe it or not, if you want to play carom board at your home, so you need not to think about who will care about it. But if you want to behave on your own which is not acceptable by the society, then you need to fear about the neighborhood also. So these are the general causes of fear. Now to talk about, and fear also gives you a thrill and excitement in life, so which is actually a negative thing. So when you are very curious and anxious in your life, so then you lose the peace of mind. So therefore you will become maniac. Now I will also describe you uh, what is this fear that connected to the ghost stories. So, ghost story is a story that is difficult to believe, first of all. To do postmortem on this ghost topics and fear, I want to tell you that whatever you want to believe, you can believe. If you believe in God or if you believe in ghost, that is your personal subjective thing. But to to break all this thing, so I have developed some points. I found some points. These are my findings. So no YouTube video about ghost is real. So all videos in YouTube about ghosts are fake, I mean to say. And second one, when you are alone at your home, you may hear the low frequency sounds. So low frequency sounds means the sound which you normally cannot hear. When you are alone, then you can hear about it. Let's say your dog is more sensitive to sounds. So when you are alone and when you are thinking or when you are worrying, you may hear this kind of sounds. If you chase that sounds, because you know that no one is there, but still there is a source of a sound, so then your fear will automatically increase. So don't chase the sounds when you are alone. Try to ignore it or try to avoid it. And next one, if you think you are more fearful, then your fear will rise to the new levels, and which is not good for your health. And again this point regarding if you visit a place which is believed to be more haunted, then you imagine your own then your mind will become out of control. Then you imagine the apparition, and eventually you will be more scared. See, all the devil stories are created. I am not saying that there is no ghost. I am not a ghost chaser or ghost hunter. But believe it or not, there is some psychology behind all these ghost stories. I will tell you 3 stories, small stories. Along with me, a friend of mine, so we went to a garden in the evening, which is away from my hometown. And there in garden, it was a dark, the light was dawning. So it was evening, around 6 o'clock, a winter evening. I saw some apparition which is passing by, and my friend also saw the apparition. We did not discuss about it. And when we crossed that area, and when we are about to reach home, then we revealed that we both saw some apparition. And the very next day, I phoned him and said that no, we have not seen any ghost. It is a clear optical illusion. So optical illusion is a phenomena where you create the personality and where you believe that it is a ghost, and so your fear will also rise. Second story I will tell you. We went to a garden. We went to one place where we get fruits. So in the distance, it was in the afternoon, 3 o'clock p.m. It's a very hot summer day. So in the distance, we both saw somebody is coming to us. A tall man, 7 feet tall man, probably. He was about to come to us. And when we are seeing him, again he disappeared. So again it is an example of optical illusion. So if you go to one particular place where there is pure Maidan, so there is some mirage, there is some conundrum where you feel that something, you imagine your own personalities. Okay, that is the second story. And third story, in the morning 4 o'clock, when I started from my home to the bus stand nearby, suddenly I heard somebody called my name. So I did not look back. And I also had a thought that if I don't look back, my fear will increase. Now, should I look back or should I move forward? So this was my doubt. Then I opened my mobile phone and I played music. Then I started walking till the bus stand. Later, I wanted to know the reason of that incident. So when I was doing some extensive reading about this, I found when you are very healthy psychologically, you get that kind of imaginations. If your name is called when no one is there around you, it means you are psychologically very healthy. So please take it as a granted. That is what psychology says. See, I am a theist, I believe in God, and I also believe that there is some negative power opposite to God, that people can be called as a ghost. But psychology will not accept the existence of ghost, I mean to say. Now I'll give you the last concluding remarks about it. If you want to be fearless, first you should be fearful. So later you should study your fear. So in this process, you lose the fear. That is the state of fearlessness. So fearlessness is a habit. It is a quality. And I'll tell you two more things. Watching scary videos will make you a maniac, will make you more fearful. So please understand that a scary video or a freaky video is made to give thrill and excitement to the audience. And all ghost movies are fake because it is a movie. It's obviously it is a fake because we go to theater to watch that movie, or you watch that movie at your home. So you need to add up some excitement into your life. So only take it as the level of excitement. If you cross that level of excitement, uh, it will be a very disappointing consequence for you. So this is my thesis and understanding about fear. So kindly do subscribe to my channel. So I hope you are doing well. So and please comment at my YouTube video. Okay, thank you so much. So let no ghost you see in your life. Thank you.